Hey guys, today I've got something really special to show you guys. It is the all new Raspberry Pi 4GB RAM mini computer, and here it is right here. I just got it yesterday. I was so excited, and wow, it's a tiny little computer. Latest Model B. So here's the gigabit Ethernet, two USB 3s, two USB 2.0s, an audio jack, two HDMI's, and a one USB-C power connector for its power. So that's the Pi itself. Here I've got its official charger or power supply cable. And then as accessories, I've got a really nice and fast Samsung Evo Plus 64GB SD card for all the storage, OS, whatever. And a mini HDMI to HDMI adapter so that I can connect this to a monitor and do all my work. So this series of episodes, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Raspberry Pi, all the cool things you can do with it, some challenges, see how it compares to other computers, and yeah. So today's first episode, we're going to see how to fully set this up and get an OS into it. So let's jump into the computer part for the Raspberry Pi. So you can download the Raspberry Pi OS with desktop and recommended software, or the Raspberry Pi OS with the desktop but without the recommended software. The Raspberry Pi OS Lite, it's just like command lines and stuff. You can't really do much in that. But yeah, you can download either this one or this one. But I don't want Raspberry Pi OS. I'm going to be using a different Linux distribution for my Raspberry Pi, and it is called Kali. Linux Kali. And so this is Linux Kali ARM, and I've already downloaded that, ready to go. And then you'll need to download an app called Balena Etcher, and it will flash your OS image of Linux Kali or Pi OS or Ubuntu or whatever operating system you want. It will flash it onto your SD card, and then you can use it in the Raspberry Pi correctly. And make sure that your Raspberry Pi SD card is a FAT32 format so that it works properly, because either FAT16 or FAT32, or else the Raspberry Pi cannot boot off your SD card. So make sure it's already done. I've already done that. So now we are going to open up Balena Etcher. Yep, it's going to open up. Let's just wait for it. There we go, flash from file. So here we go, open, select target. We're going to be doing Apple SD card reader media, select one. I don't know why it's called Apple SD card reader media, should be 64.1 and flat. Oh, got to type in my password. There we go, it's typed in. Okay. Now it's flashing. It's going to take some time, 10 minutes, and we'll be back once it's done. Okay guys, so now it has finally flashed and it's now complete. So now we can eject our SD card, and we can now successfully put it into our Pi and boot it up and see if it works with the thing. So guys, I have now finished, and now it's time to see the boot of the Raspberry Pi. So moment of truth, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got a red light, the green light's blinking.
Wow!
No way. Yes, Linux Kali is working. Let's go.
Much later.
You've now learned how to boot off a OS in your Raspberry Pi. This is Linux Kali. If you'd like to download Linux Kali and put it in your Raspberry Pi, you can download the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.